morning guys! Today is October 2 and today alis na sila Race, tsaka si Kathy, at tsaka yung kapatid niya. Balik na sila ng Adelaide. So, yeah, mamimiss ko sila. Tapos, ngayon magluluto muna ako ng breakfast. Then, yep. Halika na! Ito na siya, alis na siya. Kagabi, hindi ko nasara yung boses ko para.
Good morning! Morning po. Dito na naman ako.
Gustong-gusto ko yung time-lapse. Tawang-tawa ako sa...
Sabi ko sa'yo. Nag-smoke na minsan si Cora. Babae na yung sabi dito tayo sa si Cora. Kasi walang tao. Tanga. Kasi iyak na ako na ganyan.
Talaga?
Bang mo naman ako.
Naligo na ako na, alam mo yung kambing, ala kambing naligo. Kasi si Holly.
Nakakahiya naman doon.
Uy, ngayon, paalis na kayo. Wala man, hindi man ako maayos yun. Sabi ko, mag-ayos na yung ako.
Sabi ko nga, pag sabi si Holly,
I woke up na
si
hindi.
Holly. Char, I woke up na. Good morning. Kumusta na yung Holly niya?
Bababa na yun.
Nawala yung kati-kati. Si TJ na.
Oo.
Pero okay na din.
Good girl.
Si TJ okay na. Lungan.
Oo. Alam mo, lungal.
Parang alam ko yan, pero
Hindi
hindi ko
mo
maalala yung term sa Rizal. Parang milk na.
Baby V! Alalalala, good morning!
Ang bango naman niya, Chichon.
Morning, ang puti niya ka.
Parang hindi ko anak eh.
I see the light inside your eyes. You make me feel like I'm awake. I don't know why you make me shine like a star in the sky. I'm okay. I wanna take a breath. I'm falling in love. I'm falling in love. I wanna hold your hand. Don't leave me alone. Don't leave me alone.
Balik? Oh, what is that? Can you give us a lick, please? Huh? Halik? Halik?
Sabi niya, wala siyang blueberries.
Oo nga eh. Walang pang bribe. No, wala
Wala.
siyang blueberries, walang pagkain. Nandyan? Oo, nandyan nga. Yes.
Gawan ko sila ng puto na sabi ni Ray, hindi niya ko lang joke. Kung paano raw gawin.
Puto siya.
Dali lang
Siya
naman.
na talaga ang magpuputo. Ako na naglalagay ko sa puto. Sabi ni Manay, pangalulong sa mga.
Hot oil.
Parang hot oil. Hot oil. Gloria. Lagay mo siya sa puto. 45 minutes.
Pag na talaga man na wala pa into ingredients, so.
Nga eh. Talaga ang puto.
Ano nung, nasan yung caregiver mo?
You make me high, oh yeah. Be by my side, baby, yeah. Only you can save me. Only you can save me. I how to try to blow my mind like a bottle of wine. I'm insane. I come alive, you drive me wild when I kiss you at night. I'm okay. I wanna take a breath. I'm falling in love. I'm falling in love. Falling in love. I wanna hold your hand. Don't leave me alone. Don't leave me alone. You make me high, oh yeah. Be by my side, baby, yeah.
Ito na yung puto, linuluto na siya. Sabi si Ray's, inaalagaan si Holly, tsaka yung boys na pa-park. Nag-scooter pala.
You can save me. Only you can save me.
parang siyang langgam. Ayan. Ayan siya, oh.
Malayo pa siya.
Ang layo niya, oh. Ayan. So, hinihintay namin siya para makita nila yung live na lobster or fried fish. Kung ano man yung nahuli niya ngayon. Ilang ka na kay pa?
Child.
It's my god. Ah! You're the lucky girl. Lucky girl. Lucky girl.
You make me high, oh yeah. You're by my side, baby, yeah. Only you can save me. Only you can
Oh, yes.
Thanks, Manay, for accommodating.
No, you're welcome. You're always welcome. You're always welcome. Come back again, okay? Thank you for coming.
Thank you very, very, very much.
Wala, si Holly nagwawala na, oh. Si
Tama
Veronica.
ka, Holly.
Bye, baby. Late, okay? Maybe you will be walking. Yes.
She looks happy.
Yes,
Don't
she
be
is.
grumpy in the car.
I love the eyes. It's just like
grumpy
TJ.
na ka.
Oh, it's just like TJ.
Good job, babe. Food. Hold it in my food. Cheers. I'll check her bag before we go.
Niloloko niya din siya. Kasi kumuha siya ng lollipop.
Parang mga katulong, i-check mo yung bag namin, ma'am.
Tingnan ka ng mga ano niyo dyan.
Lollipop. Right, that's low.
Ko i-check.
Nakabukas ako tayo matapos.
Bye! Bye! Sino yun? Tin, I'm gonna miss you. Bye! So, umalis na sila Kat, tsaka sila Race. Are you gonna miss Tita Race and Tita Cathy? Are you? And Tita Cathy give this to Holly.
Happy birthday!
Okay, happy birthday to Holly.
Happy birthday
Kanta lang
to
siya.
you.
Kasi may gift na si Holly.
Happy birthday
Day.
to you. Happy birthday to you, Holly. Happy birthday.
Ooh, wow.
Mom!
Wow, thanks Tita Cathy. Say, thanks Tita Cathy. Neil and who else? Veronica, thank you for this.
Mom!
Yes,
Sit it up here.
wait. And eto, bigay ito ni Ray tsaka ni Dan. Ang dami. Parang kayo namin ito mauubos. Thank you, Race and Dan. Thank you so much for this. And thank you for coming, Cass and Race. Hope you come back again. Hopefully. What? Wow, that's nice. Let me see. Look at this one. Look at Holly. She is excited to go there as well. Oh. Wow.
Put two people too. Oh, come on!
Come see Holly. Oh. Look at Holly. Holly wrong, Holly. You have to turn around. Turn. Gusto niya pumunta doon. Oh. So yun guys, we will miss them. So yeah, that's for today guys. Thank you for watching. Come on, please. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See ya. Thank you.